Alright, so today we are doing a product review on Super Clean. Now here I have my 1987 300ZX, and I've actually been needing to degrease around the transmission oil pan area on here for a while, and now since it is running, by the way, video coming on that soon, it is now time for cleaning up a bunch of different things. So that's why we have these Super Clean products here. Now they actually sent me out quite a few things. First we have this Super Clean hat, which is actually really cool. We also have a Super Clean shirt in here, as you can see right there. And then under it we have, let's see here, looks like we have a can of sprayable degreaser right here in an aerosol can. Pretty big can here. We also have, looks like a sprayable non-aerosol can here of degreaser. And then we also have, I believe in here, yes, we have wheel cleaner right there, so that is pretty cool. I am going to try this out. Obviously, you know, it's just normal wheel cleaner. Pretty much all wheel cleaner is the same. However, I do want to see if it'll actually clean these rims up a little bit. There is some extremely stuck on brake dust on there, so I want to see if this will work good to get it off. I doubt it will. I've tried quite harsh chemicals on those wheels and it hasn't lifted the brake dust, so I don't know if this is going to really do much in my case. We also have, looks like in here, Super Clean sticker, and then also some paperwork here. Just shows their different products right there. And then we also have a little package of floor absorbent, basically cat litter. However, this is probably meant for actually cleaning up, you know, oil stains and stuff like that, while cat litter isn't. So anyways, there it is. Pretty cool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get under my car here and show you guys the, the grease situation I have going on. Alrighty, and here is what I am talking about. You can see this entire transmission is, it's just absolutely caked in oil. I'll go in and get over here and just wipe it here just to show you guys. I mean, it's extremely nasty. So we're going to go ahead and spray this with the Super Clean and see how it does. Again, there's a before. Alright, let's go in and spray it. Here I have the aerosol can right here. Let's go and spray it on here. There we go. I did shake this up prior, by the way. I'll be sure to coat this entire surface. Just like that. And you can actually already see a little darker right there. So it's already degreasing. Awesome. Alright, so I've had the degreaser sitting on there for about 6 minutes now, and actually did a little more than the transmission. Kind of got the surrounding areas too, but mainly the transmission got the most of it. Anyways, what I am going to do now is actually hook up this. I'll show you guys here. This is for like washing the underside of your car, and I'm just going to hook it onto the pressure washer, kind of go over it a couple times down there, and we'll see how much grease came off. Alright, so I now have the transmission washed under there. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry before I show you guys the finished product. However, in the meantime, I actually tried out this this wheel cleaner here, and I gotta say, it actually does an extremely good job. Here is the after. You can see it's far from perfect, but it is a lot better. And pretty much all of these in here in the spokes are all the same on pretty much every wheel. For example, one that I didn't clean right there, that's a before, and then I cleaned this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here, and they turned out way better, which I'm really quite impressed about, because I tried just an assortment of products on here and none of them really did anything. However, this stuff here actually did, so I was really impressed by that. So the wheel cleaner is definitely very, very good. All right, and here is the finished product. This is what it looks like. It is much, much better. So this was a combination of spraying on the aerosol can degreaser, and also some of the just the normal spray bottle degreaser. And also I used both that undercar pressure washer that I showed you guys earlier, And I also used the normal pressure washer, and that got a lot of the gunk off. As you can see right there, it is massively improved. Everything's, you know, kind of nice and shiny now like that. I believe that's the clutch fork there. I didn't even know that, you know, that was silver. I thought it was just always black. It was just pretty much caked in oil. So it is much better down here. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, there it is. All right, so there was a review on the Super Clean products here, the wheel cleaner along with the degreaser. Now for the wheel cleaner, I'm actually very, very impressed. It actually worked extremely well. I'm definitely going to be using it on the rest of those rims. It's going to greatly improve the appearance of them. And also the degreaser, I'm pretty happy with it. As far as I could tell, these two are pretty much the exact same. I think they're just simply in a different bottle. This one's obviously aerosol. This one is in just a simple spray bottle. And they both seem to have done a really nice job at degreasing the transmission on the Z here. I had no problem, you know, cutting all that grease. Obviously I blasted it off with a pressure washer also to get all of, you know, all the grease off here, but I'm sure this definitely softened a lot of it, and then the pressure washer obviously just blasted it off. So yeah, there it is. Overall, I am pretty happy with these products. I'll definitely continue to use them. And also the floor absorbent, again, I'm sure that's just, you know, normal floor absorbent. Nothing really special. However, I will certainly be using it if I spill something on a concrete floor. Last thing I want to do is stain it, so I will definitely be using that too. Thank you to Super Clean for sending these products out. I'm actually quite happy. And again, this is my unbiased review. Not getting paid for this. All they did is just send me out a few products here, and I'm really happy with them. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.